So you have a mega flow like this, a direct cylinder, which means that you've got two immersions here, which are similar to what you have in a kettle. It's just got an element that goes in and boils it like a kettle. So over here we have something that looks like this, which is your timer. It's just sending electric here to turn on those immersions, which are just elements like a kettle, like I said. So it's literally boiling it like a kettle. Quite expensive. So we have something called off-peak programming, right? So off-peak, you'd need to chat to your... Let's take this off because that's causing a bit of a reflection, isn't it? Oh, God, that did something, didn't it? Yeah, so you'd need to chat to your electrical supplier. They will tell you when your off-peak is. So normally it's sometime early morning. It might be 1 to 5 o'clock. It depends. Some don't have it. Some you just pay a singular rate. It's fixed. Over here we've got run. That simply means it's going to run the programs that you set. You can set your clock here. You can move stuff over by using this. And then you press select. It goes over. So that's just setting the time. We're going to go over to off-peak programming. So this is where it's cheaper. So we'll go from 1:15 a.m. says a.m. there. And then when it turns off. So we'll say it turns off around, we can probably bring that down. So that should be okay. So it'll switch off around 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Then it wants to set more presets, but we can just switch that off. So that cancels itself out. This one should cancel itself out so it doesn't actually come on. Right, so that's it, that's it. And then that's gone back to run. And then this is where you want your boost, because this is the afternoon. So this is when it's going to be most expensive, right, to run it. So you want it hot by the time it's like 7 o'clock, right? So we'll put this on at around like 5:45 or something like that, or 5:30. You can do your washing up and all that. And then when you want it to turn off, so we don't need to change that. So you want it off at around 8. So of course this is only going to heat if it feels that it needs heat, because it's got a thermostat here. So if it's hot already, it turns itself off anyway. So we'll leave that to turn off at 8, and then again it will come on in the AM. So that's it, that's set. And then of course, if let's say for whatever reason you want to have a shower at another time, you just hit the boost, which is that, and then that's going to boost it. But you probably need to leave it half an hour to an hour to heat up. So if it's out of those hours, use the boost.